Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a delicious prawn masala. Let's take a look at the ingredients. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, this is cooking coconut oil. Next add the whole spices, a piece of cinnamon, a few cloves, 2 cardamom pods, 1/4 teaspoon fennel seeds or saute, 2 medium sized onions finely chopped. The onions are nice golden brown. At this point add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 green chillies slit, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons chilli powder, puree of 2 medium sized tomatoes, a teaspoon of salt. So let this reduce nicely till you get a nice thick masala paste. There's no more raw smell of the tomatoes. So add the tiger prawns here. Just toss it around so the prawns are completely coated in the masala. So take a few curry leaves at this point. Gently crush it a little bit. So if you see, I've not added any water. We're going to let the prawns cook its own juices. When the prawns are almost 3/4 cooked, just add a teaspoon or 2 of coriander powder. So increase the flame. I'm going to reduce the masala till it's nice and dry. Check for seasoning, see if it requires any salt. I've turned off the stove. You can see the prawns are beautifully cooked. They're done. We have a delicious prawn masala. So there you have this incredibly delicious prawn masala. It's best to be had with some nice steamed rice. You can have it either with sambar or rasam or with curd rice, anything of your choice. Enjoy it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook.